Okay, so this is our new product today. It's actually just like launch today. Yeah, this is our Zenbook Duo.
So it's launched today,
Yeah, today.
worldwide.
Worldwide. Yeah.
Okay, so anywhere you can already order it. And
I haven't yet. You can start like to order maybe around February, but it will depend on the market. Yeah. So this laptop is like only weigh for 1.35 kilos without the keyboard, and we also have this whole keyboard. Can have like it's not just like a Bluetooth keyboard. It can be attached, and it will be just like a laptop, normal laptop, and you can type everything, and then you just like put it down.
so when it's on the base, it's as well recharging, right?
Yes, exactly. So you can see they do have like the portal here. So when you go back here, then that will be like the to do a recharge. So when you just like put it down, so that will you will have like the dual screen display here, and this is just like like the dual display laptop. And here is also have a key stand, and you can just put it up, and then now you get like the desktop mode, like dual mode. So we also have some of the key features here to help you to manage the dual screen. So when you just like put like this, you can keep everything on your first screen, and then you can also just keep everything on your second screen. And they always have like the scenario if you want to do have like an extension display, you can do it. And then that will be the full screen and help you to scroll out everything you need. And then after that, if we just like put things like this, because we have a key stand, it can help us to stand here like this.
Okay, so if you want to read or something like this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. This one, two. Yeah. So that will be something like that. So you can do some of the comparison. So that will be easier for you to do anything you want. And you also have several of the gesture. So when you do things like use your three fingers with three fingers and do this, then you have your virtual keyboard. And we also have this kind of the touchpad. So you can also just do things like this. So it will be really easy if you didn't bring your keyboard or your keyboard is out of battery, you still can have the virtual keyboard to do everything. And then we also have another mode is like a share mode. So we just like put down the key stand and do things like this one. And you can touch this. This is our app, and you can just check. So that will be duplicated.
Same.
Yeah, everybody is same. So when you do like the meeting with others, you can show up like everything here, and he can also you easily to know what you guys like stand for, and also to do some of the co-creation, because both is a touch screen, so it can also be to do anything here,
so
and
both
also
can
from
be working
here.
on the same time.
Exactly.
But you have two mice, or one can work. One can work.
That will be for. It cannot be like co-work together like most.
No, still can only view one.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. However, like you can also be using for like the different, yeah, for different panels.
Okay. Each
Yeah.
has a different.
Yeah, so you can also co-work together, but using for other like different stuff. Yeah. Also just like put it back.
There will be one interesting scenario will be if I have a child and I need to do my work now. I can rotate the panel and play the function for my child, and I'm doing my work here, so I don't have to be bothered.
Yes.
So that will be a screen. Yeah. So just like a very short introduction of this. So just let me know that if you have other questions.
No, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.